How is it going, everyone? It's Rob from Paragon, and today we are going to be unboxing the AWE Switchpath exhaust for the Z06. Let's get into it. We now have the full exhaust system unboxed and laid out. You can see the main components are here in the center, our actual exhaust mufflers, our 4 beautiful chrome option tips. You can get those in a black finish if that fits more of your style, but the chrome always is a good choice. And on the opposite side, we have all of these smaller accessories and hardware needed, like the clamps and those wire connection harnesses, because this exhaust does retain the valve functionality on the Z06. In addition to retaining your factory valve functionality, this exhaust is also lighter weight than your factory exhaust, so shedding a few pounds there. And obviously, it gives the Z06 a aggressive, different tone than every other one out on the road. And just in case that AWE signature sound didn't do it for you, this exhaust will also pick you up a little over a dozen horsepower. Not too shabby for a simple plug and play, easy to install exhaust system. So if this exhaust catches your eye, something you might be interested in, well, no better time to buy than right now. They are on sale, 15% off all AWE exhaust systems at paragonperf.com. So if the Switchpath is something you'd like, March 3rd through the 10th is our 15% off AWE sale. So head on over to the website, get yourself the Switchpath, all while saving a little extra money. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to let us know by leaving a like down below, comment and subscribe. Like usual, I'm Rob from Paragon, and I'll see you guys in the next video.